I think we have this back panel sorted quite nicely now. Of course, we have power, fuse. This is the 5-pin, I think 206 degree or 16 degree or something like that DIN for the Naim preamp power supplies, which have a 224 volt supplies each. So that's 4 total plus the NAPSC sitting here. We had only one hole that I didn't get to reuse, so I just stuck a big screw in there. Oh well. This particular one is going to be coming from the preamp. So it's currently the wrong one, but I'll switch it off to the right one as a 4. It should be a 4-pin. It's a 5-pin right now. But in terms of usage over here, normally what will happen is we have this group here, this sort of 5 die. If you think of like a dice thing, it's kind of like that. This little X. It is XLR in from the DAC, and then outputting either 180 degree 5-pin DIN, which is the Naim's normal source component, or RCAs, if you happen to want to do RCAs instead. And then coming from the Naim preamp, it'll be 4-pin, and then out as RCA to the Avondale amp. And there you go. I think it'll be just lovely. Looks really good. I'm quite pleased because this is the steel 1mm steel panel instead of a 3mm aluminum that I normally would use. And because of that, I was able to mount these sockets behind, the nitrix sockets behind and coming through with the little rings, which I think is very clean looking. And given the amount of stuff that's on this panel, I think it's good that I was able to hide a little bit of the busyness behind the scenes. Anyway, hope you like it.